Hello, fantastic viewers, and welcome back to Nutrition Nomics. Today, we're going on an enlightening journey through the aisles of grocery shopping on a budget, smart choices for healthier eating. Whether you're a student, a family on a tight budget, or anyone looking to make savvy and nutritious choices while keeping your wallet happy, this video is tailored just for you. In this extended episode, we're going to delve deep into the world of budget-friendly grocery shopping. We'll explore smart choices and strategies to help you eat healthier without draining your bank account. So, let's dive right into it and become masters of budget-conscious shopping while prioritizing our health. Budget-friendly shopping lists. Our shopping journey begins with the foundation of any successful grocery trip, a well-planned shopping list. We'll discuss the art of creating a budget-friendly shopping list that not only helps you stay on track but also ensures you bring home the right ingredients for nutritious meals. From meal planning to organizing your list by categories, we've got tips and tricks to save you both time and money. No more wandering aimlessly through the aisles or making impulse purchases. With a strategic shopping list, you'll become a budget-savvy shopper in no time. The power of store brands. In this segment, we'll uncover the hidden treasure in the grocery store, store brands. We'll explore how opting for store brands can be a game changer in your quest for budget-friendly and healthy eating. Store brands often offer quality products at a fraction of the cost of name brands. We'll teach you how to identify them, compare prices, and make smart choices that can lead to significant savings on your grocery bill. Get ready to stock your pantry and fridge with nutritious essentials without breaking the bank. Buy in bulk and save. When it comes to saving money while grocery shopping, buying in bulk is a strategy that can't be overlooked. We'll dive into the world of bulk buying and share tips on how to make it work for your budget and dietary needs. From grains and legumes to spices and cleaning supplies, we'll highlight the items that are most cost-effective to buy in bulk. Plus, we'll provide storage tips to ensure your bulk purchases stay fresh and ready for your budget-conscious meals. Exploring frozen and canned options. Let's bust a common misconception. Frozen and canned foods can be just as nutritious as their fresh counterparts. In this segment, we'll explore the benefits of frozen and canned options and how they can save you money. We'll discuss which frozen fruits and vegetables are excellent additions to your grocery cart and how canned goods can be a pantry staple that's both budget-friendly and nutritious. Say goodbye to the notion that healthy eating requires an endless supply of fresh produce. We're here to show you that the frozen and canned sections have much to offer. Prioritizing fresh produce wisely. Fresh produce is a cornerstone of a healthy diet, but it can also be a budget challenge. We'll share strategies on how to prioritize fresh fruits and vegetables wisely without overspending. We'll discuss seasonal produce and how it can be more budget-friendly and flavorful. Plus, we'll explore the power of farmers markets and local produce stands, where you can often find fresh, affordable options. With these strategies, you'll enjoy the best of both worlds, fresh produce and a balanced budget. Navigating sales, coupons, and discounts. Who doesn't love a good deal? In this segment, we'll dive into the world of sales, coupons, and discounts that can help you stretch your grocery budget further while eating healthily. We'll share tips on how to stay updated on weekly sales, where to find valuable coupons, and how to take advantage of loyalty programs offered by grocery stores. With these strategies in your arsenal, you'll become a savvy shopper who knows how to spot and capitalize on money-saving opportunities. Minimizing food waste. One of the most budget-friendly and environmentally conscious habits you can develop is minimizing food waste. We'll explore how to plan your meals and use leftovers creatively to make the most of your ingredients. From meal prepping to reusing ingredients in multiple dishes, we've got tips and tricks that will not only reduce food waste but also save you money. Let's make a commitment to both our wallets and the planet by wasting less and enjoying more. Smart protein choices. Protein is a vital part of a healthy diet, and in this segment, we'll guide you on how to make smart protein choices that are budget-friendly. We'll explore cost-effective protein sources like beans, lentils, and eggs, as well as how to stretch more expensive options like meat and fish without sacrificing nutrition. With these tips, you'll be able to maintain a balanced diet while keeping your protein costs in check. Healthier choices in every aisle. As we near the end of our budget-friendly grocery shopping adventure, we'll discuss how to make healthier choices in every aisle of the store. From selecting whole grains to choosing lean proteins and limiting sugary beverages, we'll provide guidance on how to navigate the grocery store with your health in mind. By the time you leave the store, you'll have a cart full of nutritious and budget-conscious choices. And there you have it, folks, our comprehensive guide to grocery shopping on a budget. Smart choices for healthier eating, extended and enriched. I hope you've enjoyed this deep dive into budget-friendly grocery shopping and learned valuable strategies to eat healthier while keeping your wallet in check. If you found this extended video helpful and inspiring, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss out on more budget-friendly and health-conscious content. With the right knowledge and smart choices, you can enjoy nutritious and wallet-friendly meals that benefit both your health and your finances. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, take care and keep nourishing your body and your wallet.